Hey guys, Matt Roxy Zoomies here. So, just got myself a nice little package today. Got the USB-C charger to go on my 450 SR. Looking forward to plugging this in, so no more dying phone as I'm riding home using GPS. So, just going to show you how quickly and easily it is to install here. So, you've already got the little plug and cap there. As you can see, it's a nothing. So, all we've got to do is get this little jobby out of here and replace it with this, and it's just a simple plug and play. So really this job shouldn't take too long, but just thought I'd show you how quick and easy it actually is. Alright, so to get this out, pretty simple and straightforward. It's just a little plastic cap that comes out, and you can see there CF Moto made it nice and easy. They've already got the wiring plug all ready to go there, so this is going to be literally a 30-second changeover. A little bit longer because I'm doing it like holding the camera, but literally it'll take you 30 seconds to swap this out. So to get this unplugged off of the little end cap, all you got to do is this little tab right here. Just got to push down on that. I've already done it because I'm just doing this one hand to show you guys, just to make it easy, and then it's quite simply just pops straight off, nice and easy. Then we simply just get our new plug. There's no right or wrong way to put this in. It's down to personal preference on which way you want this end cap to open up. So I'm going to plug it, push it in so this flap opens up to the outside of the bike. And I'm only doing that just because it's got the USB-C plug up the top there. So I just figured that if I'm riding when it's raining and I've got it plugged in, that'll actually keep moisture out a bit better, because I'm going to be using USB-C, whereas if I have it down the bottom, I mean, it shouldn't get any water in there, but just a little bit of extra precaution just having it up the top like that. So I've just plugged the unit in, very easy. You can't get this wrong. It'll only allow you to plug it in one way, so you can't mess that up. So now that that's plugged in, just feed the wiring back in, push the charger into the slot, push him in until the clips clip in, like so. That's it, it's done. Just like that. Now I have USB and USB-C charging on my CF Moto. Very, very easy. Literally 30-second job. Like I said, just took me a little bit longer because I'm holding the camera with one hand and showing you guys, but very basic. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you got any other ideas for any other content you want us to put out, let us know, but as always, we try and put as much on there as we can. Thanks guys.